Hi there. We are going to be solving 1 and 2-step equations today. So what we're going to do is we can look at the examples. Here's our step. It says move the constant to the opposite side using the inverse or opposite operation. So whenever we come over here to look at number 1, I'm going to blow it up big enough so that you can see. So here we go. With number 1, what that means is you can kind of draw a line down the middle so you can see the left side and the right side. So you want the letters to stay on one side and the numbers to go on the opposite side. So I know 7 needs to go on the opposite side using the opposite sign. So instead of plus 7, it will be minus 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. So x is equal to 9 minus 7 is 2. That's your answer. It was so easy. Let's go and try number 2. Okay, if you draw a line down the middle, you can see the x is right here. So you need to get the 14 away by opposite sign. Plus 14, plus 14. Okay, so 14 minus 14 is 0. Drop your x is equal to 10 plus 14 is 24. So that's one step. There's only one step before the equation is solved. Let's take a look at two-step equations. Okay, here's with two-step equations. I would like to look at number 18 and 19 here on this example. When I glanced at it, I could see something different about it that might be helpful for you. So whenever I look at it, I notice that this one's the number. This one has, the 5 has a B with it, and this one's a number. So when it's in a different order, it might seem slightly confusing, but we know we want our numbers to go with our numbers. So we will plus 4 and plus 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Be very careful not to lose that negative sign with that 5. So negative 5b is equal to 26 plus 4 is 30. Now, this negative 5b, that means negative 5 times b. So you do the opposite, which is divide. And you'll know you divided by the right number when with the b, they match so that negative 5 divided by negative 5 is positive 1. So 1b is equal to 30 divided by negative 5 is negative 6. Now, I can see that number 19 is also out of order. And sometimes I do just label these while I'm getting the hang of it. I put labels on there. So when I draw my equal sign, I can say, okay, x's are on one side, numbers are on the other. So I want to move the number with the number. And that helps me decide which one to move. So if there's not a sign, it's assumed to be positive. So the opposite of plus 2 is minus 2. So what you do to one side, you will do to the other. And notice this x over 4 is going to be equal to 6 minus 2 is 4. Now, this really states right here that this is x divided by. The fraction is a divide. So the opposite of divide is multiply. And I think the easy way to do this is to actually cross multiply up. So when you multiply up, then that gives you x is equal to 4 times 4, which is 16. All right, have a safe and blessed day. Thank you.